Hard-working athletes are collapsing despite appearing healthy, as real damage builds deep inside the body. Whoop tracks more than steps and calories, taking the layers of human physiology into account. This wearable health tracker reads patterns in your body that affect performance. It reveals when your nervous system is actually recovered or just resting. As sports science evolves, recovery becomes data. This innovation makes burnout preventable and easier to manage. Want more innovations like this? Dive into the future at Innovation Library.